Ever pondered on making your hobby your paycheck? Well, you're about to dive into the ultimate guide to side hustle success in 2024. This is where your passion collides with profit, and your spare time evolves into a thriving empire. Buckle up as we unravel the roadmap to a successful side hustle. The first step is to identify your passion. What is that one thing you could spend hours doing and not even realize how much time has passed? That's your passion. It could be anything from gardening, coding, baking, or even dog walking. The key here is to find something you love and are good at. Once you've identified your passion, the next step is to validate your idea. Is there a market for your product or service? Who are your potential customers? What problem does your side hustle solve for them? It's crucial to answer these questions to ensure your side hustle has potential for success. Next comes the business plan. Outline your goals, strategies, and the resources you'll need. This is a critical step and will provide a clear path for your side hustle journey. It's like a roadmap, guiding you towards success while helping you avoid potential pitfalls. Now it's time to launch your side hustle. Start small, test your ideas, and gradually scale up. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. It's okay to make mistakes as long as you learn from them and keep moving forward. As you progress, always remember to network. Connect with others in your industry, learn from them, and don't hesitate to seek advice. Networking is a powerful tool that can open doors to opportunities you never knew existed. Finally, never stop learning. The world is constantly evolving, and so should your side hustle. Stay updated with the latest trends in your industry, attend seminars, read books, and always be on the lookout for ways to improve. To recap, building a successful side hustle in 2024 involves identifying your passion, validating your idea, creating a business plan, launching your side hustle, networking, and continuous learning. It's a journey filled with challenges, but the rewards are priceless. So why wait? Start today and turn your dream side hustle into a reality. That's it for the ultimate guide to building a successful side hustle in 2024, where your hobby meets your paycheck and your spare time becomes a thriving empire. It's time to unleash your side hustle superpower and make your ambitions a reality. Happy hustling!